In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automations in Brevo. Automations help you send the right messages at the right time without manual work. By the end, you'll know how to build a workflow, test it confidently, and turn it on so it runs hands-free. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Brevo. From the search results, click the official site to open it. Once you're there, log into your account. If you have multiple accounts or projects, make sure you're in the right one before continuing so your automation targets the correct contacts. Inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Automations. This is your workspace for creating and managing workflows. Next, select Create an Automation. Brevo will ask whether you want to use a pre-built template or create a custom workflow from scratch. Templates are great if you're new or need common flows, like a welcome series or an abandoned cart reminder. Choose custom if you have specific rules, timing, or branching logic in mind. Now, add your trigger. The trigger is what starts the automation. For example, when a new contact joins a particular list. Pick the trigger that matches your goal, select the relevant list or condition, and confirm. This ensures only the right people enter the workflow. With your trigger set, add actions and rules to the canvas. You can drag and drop steps or click to add them. Typical actions include sending an email, adding a contact to a list, or updating contact details. Use rules and delays to control timing and paths. For instance, wait a day before sending a follow-up, or split based on whether a contact opened the first email. When you add an email step, take a moment to click Send Test Email. This lets you preview formatting, links, and personalization before any real contact receives it. Give your automation a clear, descriptive name so you can identify it later. Include the goal and audience, which makes filtering and reporting easier as your list of workflows grows. Before activating, test thoroughly. Enroll a test contact or use preview tools to verify each branch works as expected. Check that delays, conditions, and updates behave correctly, and confirm that test emails look good on both desktop and mobile. When everything is working, click Activate Automation. From this point on, any contact who meets your trigger criteria will automatically enter the workflow and follow the steps you've built. That's it. Your automation is live and saving you time.